guitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play Southern Cross. The chords of Southern Cross are pretty easy. We're going to start off with an A chord. You're going to put your first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. You're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to put your ring finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So you kind of get them all there on the same fret. And you're going to play the low A first because it's an A chord. Even out the E string. And play the high E. Now, if your fingers don't fit that way, you can switch them around like that, or you can use these 3 fingers, or you can do what I do oftentimes, just lay one finger across all of them and mute the other E as well. And that's your first chord. I'm going to go from there to a G, play a G. I'm going to let the first finger hang, put my middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and the pinky curls up and plays the 1st string, 3rd fret. Then I'm going to go to a D chord. Now the first finger, your index finger, goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. I'm going to play 4 strings, except there's a lick that the bass plays when Crosby, Stills, and Nash does it, but since if you're playing it by yourself on acoustic guitar, you can throw it in here too. So we're playing a nice solid D chord, D, and then move your first finger over and just play the A string, the 5th string on the 2nd fret once, move your finger up, play it open, then play the D string. So D chord, B, A, B. I usually kind of hit the chord when I go back to the D. The second half of the phrase, you play the chords again. Then you're going to go start on the D string, D, D, A chord. So open D, B on the A string, A, like that. In between chords, I'm muting the strings just by laying my fingers on them, not pushing all the way down, and making a percussive sound with my pick on the strings. Wherever you are, you just kind of lay your fingers down. And here's the whole thing at once. One more chord in it. We've got 80 feet of the waterline, nicely making a way. A B minor chord. You're going to put your first finger all the way across to the 5th string, push down all the strings, and kind of touch the E string so you're muting it. Middle finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st fret up from the finger. Your ring finger reaches across and gets the 4th string, 4th fret, 2 frets up from this. Pinky goes right behind it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. You're just going to hit it really fast. I can see why playing the A with one finger is convenient. Who knows love can end good, and you know it will. This is not the easiest song in the world to sing. It gets a little bit high. My advice to you on that is keep your chin down. Don't stick your neck out like that. And try to stay loose and push from your abdomen. And you know it will! So it kind of pushes the air out instead of constricting it here. A lot of people habitually do that. They'll tighten their throat up to sing higher, and it doesn't help you at all. Don't forget to check in the links below for the chord chart and other songs that you might like to learn. I'm Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play Southern Cross. Thank you for watching. And you know it will!